What's up, YouTube family? All right, we have a gorgeous day here in winter. So I got all these kids out to help me with our farm chores today, and we are gonna bring you guys along with us. And as the world slows down here in winter, the farmers have even more chores to do to keep all the animals warm and safe in the horribly cold winter. So that's why on a nice warm day in winter like today, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra helpers than I usually do. These chores are gonna fly by. Okay, go.
Okay, I just want to tune in and also say that today we are featuring Schleich Farm World figurines in this video, and we are going to show you real life animals with real life Schleich toys, and it's going to be so much fun. You are going to love this. Wow, cowboy, that was crazy.
Alright guys, if you're new to the vlog, we are the Roshek family. We're having so much fun. You met my kids, but you have to come see my miniature farm animals now. That is the rest of the family, the rest of this wonderful vlog. Come on in here. So meet the rest of the herd. We have Nacho the donkey, Applejack. Bless you, Dolly. That is our girl with her manners, that's Dolly. So they are all bundled up in this pen together. And if you guys, our most popular animal is little Tex, and he is getting big now. He's a bull. So we have him all the way over here with our baby girl. This is Daisy. She is a sweetie pie. And what's nice is all these animals get along with each other. So we kind of take turns on who gets to be with who gets to be in which pasture outside. But as we're saying, this is a winter farm video. And it's very important to have this barn with the door closed, as you saw. And we rotate fresh straw in here as often as we can to keep the animals warm here in the winter, and dry is very important. Dry is even more important than being warm, because if you're wet in the winter, that causes sickness, that causes illness. So this straw helps to keep them dry and warm.
You got the bunnies? Are you in charge of the bunnies? She's so pretty. She's so ready to rock and roll out here. Hi, honey. Hi. Yeah.
All right, now that the introductions have been made, we can begin all the farm chores we need to start doing. So come along with us and we'll begin chore number 1. Don't hit the button! You're blocked. Cool. Cool. So you're gonna ride?
I'm just gonna ride like to that fence, like the fence, and then I'm
You can just ride him for a couple steps, then.
No, I ride into it.
And then we're gonna talk.
He's gonna ride into the fence, Dad. All right. Let me get behind you, cutie.
Yes, they drink 30 gallons of water every day, even in the winter. That's why I have a 200-yard hose that extends from the barn all the way out to the pasture. And we gotta fill that sucker up frequently. And in the winter, you know what happens? The water tubs freeze. And we gotta go bang it with a shovel and smash the water so they can actually drink it. But as you see here, this is our little guy Tex once again. And he's got these massive horns coming. And he is just like a puppy where he wants to love you and hug on you. But now, oh my God, those horns will whack you. So you gotta be careful. No matter how many kisses he wants to give you, you gotta be careful of these because he doesn't really realize they are the hardest thing on earth. Ow, ow, ow. All right, cowboy, let's ride. Ice's boots aren't getting dirty. Look, he's got grass stuck in his mouth. Look clean. That's the later, Dad. That's like a baby when you need to give him, like, rub his napkin on his little cheeks. That's what. So we made it to the pasture.
If this video gets 10,000 subscribers, I will kiss a cow.
That's a good one, though, huh? That is so cute, guys. Excuse me, Nacho. Get in the way, buddy. Alright, everybody. This is our beautiful miniature pony, Applejack. Newest member to the farm. We got him for Christmas for our children. So as a part of winter, hoof care with the ponies and the donkey are a little more essential. So the ground's frozen, and then they footprints like freeze out there in the pasture, so the ground becomes really uneven. So that's very important. We have a farrier come out which checks the pony's hoof, and then we grab the pony's hoof and we scrape the bottom of it every night. Definitely have to give extra attention to their hoof.
Did you know in the winter, ponies' coats, they get thicker?
They do.
They get thicker. Why do they get thicker?
Because it gets colder.
Oh, so they get thicker fur, like a big extra blanket that they grow naturally to keep their body warm. Just like we'll cozy up with a blanket.
Hey guys,
Yeah, what's up?
let's saddle him up.
This is the saddle pad, which makes the saddle coming up nice and comfortable, and you get that thing up by the shoulders. Throw that over. Put that boot there. Push.
Hey! No, I'm more weak.
right, so what is the next animal we're doing?
Probably Dolly, because she's making all the Jurassic Park noises.
She's like a cow slash dinosaur.
She wants it the most.
Oh yeah, she does. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. All right, everybody, this is our big girl Dolly. She looks a little different because she's a high park, which is a Highland mix with a, I always forget.
A white park.
A white park. But yeah, she could be quite the sassy pants. She's also very sweet and good, really good on a leash, just like they all are. She's very excited to go outside today, but that is why she looks a little bit different. She is a high park. One fact about these cows that I always keep in mind in winter, as I feel so bad for them as it's so cold and wet, they are perfectly adapted, even more so than the summer months that we have, for this type of weather. So this is their time of the year to thrive and just have fun. So they love winter, cold months. So, there's the sass, everyone. Look at what I'm seeing. It's winter, the frozen ground's thawing, so everything's super muddy. Look at my boys. Show them here.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Lot of work, huh?
Oh, it's a daily.
Yeah.
Multi-daily. Next up is Nacho. And we love our donkey Nacho. He is another super hardy animal here on the farm in winter. So they do very well. As you can see, his winter coats came in where he's a little fluffier. And one of my favorite things to do with Nacho, they need to eat a little bit more food and they love variety. The donkey, or at least Nacho, he loves the most variety of foods. He loves carrots. He loves French fries from McDonald's. I could give him about anything and he'll eat it.
Did you know, donkeys, you put your hands out and they eat like this. They use their lips like a tongue.
Another animal to be ridden out on the farm. Whenever we can, we get the kids on them to go on a little walk. It's good for exercise because they're more running type of animals than the cows. As you can see, they're very good at being led. They get lots of practice. And last, but certainly not least, is our little baby heifer, Daisy. Daisy is another full miniature Highland cow, and she's what they call a dun, which gives her this beautiful color is what it means. She has the most gorgeous highlights. Yeah, step out in the light, sweet. She's got this like like this brown mixed with this dark brown color, and then there's like this blonde that comes in the summer. It is gorgeous. So she's a little girl. In the fall, she'll be able to breed with Tex. So that's what I was saying. She gets to hang out with Tex now still. But miniature, she is about a third of the size of a full Highland cow. All of these cows are miniature, so they're a third of the size. And she's got these little tiny nubs. Can you get that, Hannah? She's got these little tiny nubs. So she'll have the horns just like Tex and Dolly. But even Dolly and Tex will have these big horns. They're gonna come up so high. It's gonna be an awesome sight when they're all older. So let me get her out. It's been a long winter and it's a gorgeous day like we mentioned, so let her have her time to be outside. We got all the animals outside. Now it is time to get their inside pens ready for nighttime, because as warm as it is now, winter comes quickly at nighttime when the sun goes down. All right, so as fast as Noah committed to do the chores with me, he's already out. So it's cold, he did fall in the mud. So he's got mud all up his back. He's cold, he's done.
Temperatures are dropping, and so the kids are dropping.
I was gonna say, the sun's dropping. I was telling you, the heat from the sun warms this whole place up. It's going down. That's why it's important we get their beds ready, their dinner ready, all those things. So it is now inside chore time. All right, first step is to get all the feed ready for the animals. So feed first. We've got miniature pony feed for the donkey and Applejack. And then we've got sweet mix for the cattle. So you're gonna gather all the red buckets.
Okay. Titus, you wanna help me? Yeah. Let's see if Titus will help me. Titus, will you be on my team?
Yeah.
Titus knows what to do.
Yes. Well, he might be out here more than you are.
2 and 3.
3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What you got in there? What's this food called?
Sweet mix.
Sweet mix. Nice.
So how many cups, Titus?
2 mix.
Okay. 1. 2. You wanna do the last one?
These are for our cows. Daisy, Dolly, and Tex.
What's happening?
We need to get the other bucket.
We're getting the other
You
bucket
could
now.
maybe open the gate.
We could open the gate like this.
You can't quite reach it.
I beat you to it.
All right, so this bucket is for our pony.
Okay, pony feed. Where's it at, Titus?
Grab that bag right there and dump it in the bucket. Yeah, I'm surprised you could move it. That a girl. Get in there, Titus. Pull it out of there.
I'm just thinking that we need to take some baths. If it was summer, I would be hosing them off before they got in my car.
As he's wearing socks.
Cow socks.
His boots have had it.
You see those awesome socks?
All right, that's so true. They're cows.
Awesome socks.
We're so themed around here. Oh. That a girl. There you go.
I thought scissors would have been more fun.
Actually, that's always very fulfilling to me.
You hold the bin. Hold the bin still. Get in there. Whoa.
Nice. It's like gold. All right, so how many cups did the pony get, Titus? The pony.
What? That's 1 cup for the pony.
It's
Some like carrots, apples, and spinach.
does.
So.
Good. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay. Now, one Nacho. Look at Nacho over there. Think of where they go.
Assuming one needs to go over here too.
Yeah, and someone needs to be with Tex tonight. We don't want him to be by himself.
Bring me a pony one here.
Oh, now we got the feed. What else do cows like to eat? What else do cows? Hey, why don't you go grab the wheelbarrow?
Green and fall is like yellowish white.
Oh, how do you use them differently?
These are for bedding, and this is for food.
Oh, nice, Titus. Now, the extra difference, which is perfect, hay can literally be in a big field where it's, a meadow. You just bale it up and make hay. So see, there's all different types of grasses in here.
There's flowers.
Yeah, there's wildflowers, there's weeds, there's clover, there's all types of stuff in there. While straw strictly comes from a beautiful wheat field, like those golden brown fields of wheat. That's what that's from. So see, that's all the exact same plants right there.
Bigger pieces too.
That's what people used to sleep on that.
Yeah.
Make mattresses.
Chunkier.
Chunky.
Yep.
Now, the feed is to supplement the hay. So their main source of food is hay and pasture. So that's what Titus has got here. This is a big, big hay bale behind me here with big, big sleeves of hay.
Who's this for?
That is a lot of hay. Goodness. All right, now go grab another one. Do it again.
Is that good, or should we get more?
That's good.
Okay. Where are we going with this one, Titus? The same place?
There you go. Now push hard. Get some momentum. Go, go, go. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Go, 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 go.
A lot of poop in this one.
Yeah, this is...
Okay, too much poop for Titus is good. I will take those out.
That way. I've also never used a wheelbarrow to do this. It's just fun.
Just a Hannah and Titus book.
Yeah, it's just fun. All right, now we need to check the water because it's winter and make sure it's not frozen solid. So let's make sure they can drink. Oh. So with all the extra tasks to do in the winter, breaking down ice so the animals can drink out of it. Once it's solid, they can't drink and they will be extremely thirsty, and we don't want that. So
yeah, and in the winter, these things, farmers will tell you, freeze.
Consistently. So I'm always banging it with a shovel every morning and every night.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, heck yeah. That's not just for show. Yes, it is.
Okay, Daddy, go.
Yeah, smack it like a real farmer. Who got wet? I did.
We're in the splash zone.
Alright, let's go over the checklist. Feed, check. Hay, check. Water broken up to be able to drink, check. Nice soft hay. Mineral blocks in there. Oh, we forgot an animal. We have 2 bunnies that need feed too. So the bunnies especially, they have these little water, like little hamster trinket bottles. That freezes more than anything else because it's such a small amount of water. You always gotta double check that. So a lot of times in winter, I'm just giving them bowls every morning and every night. So let's go check them out. So our bunnies' names are, if you're new to the channel again, Cactus, which is the bunny's name. You'd be amazed, but yes, Cactus is his name. And we named him that because Noah says his whiskers are so spiky, it's like a cactus. The other one's name's Coconut, and that's our girl. That's this one. So we got a boy bunny and a girl bunny together. I put them there for 2 reasons. One, it's when winter, body heat, they snuggle together and keep themselves warm. And then 2, Easter's coming fast, and how fun it would be for them to have little baby bunnies for Easter coming. Going with our theme, 2 apiece.
My goodness. Give them a second scoop.
There's their water.
Oh, and there's the water.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Look how sweet they are. All right, well, I'm coming in with the carrots because bunnies love carrots. I think we all know that, right? So I'm going to give them a few little treats. You don't have to be so afraid. On a really, really cold night, I usually have Alec give them some straw and extra some hay because bunnies also love hay. So sometimes we give them hay, but tonight they got carrots. So Alec is on his way. He is getting all the animals and we are bringing them in to go to bed because now it is bedtime on the farm. It has been a long day and we've loved showing you guys all of the different things that we do with our animals. So follow along and let's see how the animals come in for nighttime. Oh God!
That was awesome. Good girl, Dolly.
Dolly can't help herself.
Dolly, that's not even yours. Good boy, Tex.
So that's
Did
doing
you
it.
notice how Nacho went around the puddle
Yes.
and not through it like everyone else did? Go man, Geisha. Good girl. She's still over there. There's no spot. There it is. She did it. So as you can see, everybody is inside, they're warm, they've got their dinner. I mean, they couldn't be happier. So
They're happier than us.
It's a
We're cold and hungry.
Okay, down. But actually, it's a very special feeling coming in and getting them all settled up, and when they're all like in their little spots eating their dinner, and you close the barn to say goodnight. It's actually really special.
It is so
It's
sweet
cute.
every single time. Well, we hope that you guys have enjoyed this look into farm life during the winter time with the help of Schleich Farm World toys. It has been a lot of fun. We hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing us on the farm doing all the real work, and then at home playing with all the toys as well. We love our Schleich toys so much. Well, it's been a lot of fun, you guys. We wanted to do something though right here at the end of this video that we have been promising to do with you. So we are going to start doing shout outs, and this is our first introduction to shout outs. So this is your chance to get on. We're gonna do it through Instagram where we find you, and we're gonna pick 3 of you. So 3 families, 3 kids, whoever it may be, we will shout out to you some way awesome on our YouTube channel the next video. So here's what you have to do. So here's what you have to do. You have to, first off, we want you to like this video and subscribe. That's super important. But we also are looking for you to follow us on Instagram, okay? And also you have to comment on our last Instagram post, okay? So that is starting today. Instagram, all right? And we are so excited about it, and we will feature something on our next video with 3 of you that we've chosen.
All right, it's bedtime for the cows, bedtime for the children. Good night, cows. Good night, all of you. Stay warm out there. Subscribe. We love you. See you next video.